Welcome back to Kreistal Store. Today, we're diving into something truly special, combining the calming power of crystals with the warmth of candles. These two natural elements work beautifully together to transform any space into a peaceful sanctuary. Let's explore how you can use them to bring balance, positive energy, and tranquility into your home. Why crystals and candles work so well together? There's something magical about pairing crystals with candles. When you light a candle, you're not just creating soft lighting. You're setting an intention. The flame represents transformation, warmth, and the release of negative energy. Crystals, on the other hand, hold stable energy that grounds you and brings specific vibrations into your space. When you place them together, the candle's heat activates the crystal's energy, making both elements work more powerfully. Think of it as creating a mini energy center in your room. The flickering flame draws your attention, helping you focus on your intentions, while the crystal amplifies and holds that energy long after the candle burns out. This combination has been used for centuries in spiritual practices around the world, and now you can bring this ancient wisdom into your modern home. Whether you're meditating, relaxing after a long day, or simply want to improve the atmosphere in your living space, this pairing creates an environment that feels both peaceful and purposeful. Choosing the right candle colors. Color plays a huge role in setting the mood and energy of your space. Each candle color carries its own meaning and works with different intentions. White candles are perfect for purification and new beginnings. They cleanse the energy in any room and work well with almost any crystal. If you're looking to attract love, compassion, or emotional healing, pink candles are your go-to choice. They create a gentle, nurturing atmosphere that feels like a warm hug. Red candles bring passion, strength, and courage, ideal for when you need motivation or want to spark creativity. For prosperity and abundance, reach for green candles. They connect you with nature's growth energy and pair beautifully with manifestation practices. Blue candles promote calmness, clear communication, and peace. Light one when you need to relax or have important conversations. Purple candles enhance spiritual awareness and intuition, making them perfect for meditation sessions. Yellow candles boost happiness, mental clarity, and confidence, great for your workspace or study area. Finally, black candles are powerful for protection and removing negative energy from your environment. Understanding these color meanings helps you choose candles that align with exactly what you need in your life right now. Best crystal and candle combinations. Now, let's talk about which crystals pair perfectly with specific candle colors to create powerful energy combinations. When you use a white candle, place clear quartz or selenite nearby. These crystals amplify the purifying effect of white candles and create a clean, fresh energy in your space. They're excellent for meditation corners or bedrooms where you want peaceful sleep. For pink candles focused on love and emotional healing, pair them with rose quartz or rhodonite. This combination opens your heart chakra and fills your space with gentle, loving vibrations. It's perfect for relationship healing or self-love practices. With red candles that boost energy and passion, use carnelian or red jasper. These stones enhance motivation and creativity while keeping you grounded. Place this combination in your workspace when you need to tackle challenging projects. Green candles for abundance work wonderfully with green aventurine or jade. This pairing attracts prosperity and helps you recognize opportunities around you. Keep this setup in your office or near your entrance. Blue candles seeking peace and calm are enhanced by lapis lazuli or blue lace agate. This combination soothes anxiety and promotes clear, honest communication. Perfect for living rooms or anywhere family gathers. Purple candles focused on spirituality pair beautifully with amethyst or lepidolite. This setup deepens meditation and enhances your intuitive abilities. Place it in your sacred space or quiet corner. Yellow candles for joy and mental clarity work great with citrine or tiger's eye. This energizing combination boosts confidence and helps you think clearly. Setting up your crystal and candle display. Creating an effective crystal and candle setup is simpler than you might think. Start by choosing a safe, flat surface away from drafts and flammable materials. A small table, windowsill, or shelf works perfectly. Clean the area first, both physically and energetically. You can wipe it down and then pass sage or Palo Santo smoke over it if you like. Place your candle in a heat-safe holder at the center of your space. Never leave candles unattended, and always follow fire safety guidelines. Position your chosen crystals around the candle in a circle, or arrange them in a pattern that feels right to you. There's no wrong way to do this. Trust your intuition. Some people like symmetrical arrangements, while others prefer a more organic look. You can place one large crystal or several smaller ones. If you're working with a specific intention, you might arrange the crystals in a triangle or square shape with the candle in the middle. Safety tips you should always follow. Working with candles requires respect and attention to safety. Never leave a burning candle unattended, even for a few minutes. If you need to leave the room, blow it out first. Always place candles on stable, heat-resistant surfaces, where they won't tip over. Keep them away from curtains, papers, fabrics, and anything flammable. If you have pets or small children, place your setup on higher surfaces where curious hands or paws can't reach. Make sure there's plenty of space above the candle, at least 12 inches, so nothing catches fire from the heat. Trim candle wicks to about a 1/4 inch before each use. This prevents excessive smoke and helps the candle burn evenly. Never burn a candle all the way down to the bottom. Stop using it when about 1/2 inch of wax remains to prevent the container from cracking or becoming too hot. Watch for drafts from windows or fans that might blow the flame towards something flammable. When blowing out candles, do it gently to avoid hot wax splattering. Better yet, use a candle snuffer for a cleaner, safer extinguishing method. Keep a small dish of water or a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. Be aware that crystals near candles can become warm. Don't touch them immediately after blowing out the flame. Some crystals like selenite can be damaged by heat, so keep them at a slightly farther distance from large flames. Most importantly, if something doesn't feel safe, trust that instinct and make adjustments. Creating a peaceful space should never come at the cost of your actual safety. Thank you for joining us today at Kreistal Store. We hope these simple combinations of crystals and candles help you create the peaceful, harmonious home you deserve. Remember, you don't need anything complicated or expensive, just natural elements, clear intentions, and a few moments of mindfulness each day. Start with one setup in your favorite room and see how it transforms the energy around you. Share your crystal and candle combinations with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear which pairings work best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Until next time, stay grounded, stay peaceful, and keep welcoming nature's energy into your life. This is Kreistal Store, where nature and peace meet.